Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Vandy, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, fam. Today's video is exactly what you clicked on that thumbnail for. I'm going to show you how I do my wash and go. This is what I do literally in 10 minutes, fresh out the shower. I get so many questions, especially after that braidless crochet video. So many questions about my natural hair and how I care for it, and right now I am between protective styles, so I'm just showing you what my hair looks like freshly washed. It is like 7 a.m. I think at this point, and all I'm doing right now is sectioning my hair off so I can work faster. But yeah, this takes literally 10 minutes. The products I'm going to show you today have not changed in my routine for the last how long have I been natural? Like 10 years. Starting off, I'm going to saturate my hair with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is the new one with the argan oil, and I'm going to gently detangle and brush that through with my Denman brush. And also I picked up their anti-frizz oil. I really wanted to try this out because I really struggle with frizz when I do a wash and go. So I'm making sure to focus that on my roots and brushing that through again with my Denman brush all the way to the ends. Next, I'm going for my handy dandy Eco Styler gel. I always use the green one. I'm going to put a generous amount on each section, and what I'm showing you here is what I would do if I didn't use my brush for the shingling method. I would just run it through with my fingers and then scrunch it up a little bit and then just let the curls fall like so. But today I'm choosing to do the shingling method, which is where you run the brush through your curls and let them shingle in the place that they want to go. So I'm going to show you this nice up close and personal. I'm running that brush very slowly down through the tips, and then I'm just going to let them go and let them fall. As you can see, my curls are super clumped. So I'm just going to leave them just like that. I'm not going to touch them or try to disturb them. That is the key to the shingling method. I like this method because it reduces the amount of frizz that I have throughout the week, which, by the way, I do wear this wash and go for about 5 days, 5 to 7 days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back. And don't worry about the white residue there. It evaporates throughout the day. I'm moving on to all the rest of the sections, and it's pretty much the same steps. Just leave-in conditioner. I'm going in with the oil on top of the conditioner, and then on top of that with my Eco Styler gel, and then running my Denman brush through the section. As you can see in the front, I have a little issues with my curl pattern, so I try to help it out by scrunching it a little bit more. But yeah, once I've done with everything, I'm going to lay my edges down a little bit using my brush here. This is my go-to look whenever I do my wash and goes. I always have it pulled to the side and to the back. So here's what it's looking like. It is about 7:15ish, I think. I know it was super early in the morning before I started work. I'm going to let this air dry throughout the day, and then I'm going to come back to you guys later on this evening. So here I am. It is about 9 or 10 o'clock, I think, and my hair is about 85-88% dry. It's still damp in the middle. I could not find my bonnet to save my life. So all I'm going to do when I go to bed is pull it back in a very, very loose ponytail with my elastic band here. And I actually did sleep on it just like this, because I do sleep on my side. I did sleep on it just like that without my bonnet, and my hair still came out okay the next morning. So here we are the next morning. What I'm going to do now is proceed to separating the curls out. I'm not going to do too much separating because I'm going to my hair is gonna get big throughout the week. But yeah, I'm just gonna separate the curls out. And what I did notice this time is a lot less crunchiness happening here, and I'm pretty sure that has a lot to do with the anti-frizz oil that I applied. My curls were basically just set into place, almost like setting lotion, and you didn't get like that crunchy kind of effect from the Eco Styler gel. So yeah, this is what I'm left with. As you can see, the middle of my head is a frizz mess. There's nothing I can do about it. Every time I try to do a wash and go, it just doesn't work. I don't know why. The middle is just a nightmare. But I'm gonna work with what I got and move on to styling this. So throughout the drying process and while I was sleeping, I did have a few strands that got stretched. So I'm just gonna take my bottle here. It has some conditioner in it. I'm not sure which conditioner, but just a conditioner and water mix here, and I'm going to spritz that on the strands that need a little assistance. I'm also going to be using the same spray bottle every morning when I get up to refresh my curls and to keep that moisture locked in. This works like a charm. I rarely have any issues unless I really decide to not do anything to my hair at night. I keep my curls stay intact for the entire week. So at this point, if I wanted my hair a little bit bigger, I would just take my blow dryer and I would blow my roots out, but I'm not gonna do that this week. I'm just gonna wear it as is, and usually on day 3, I am going to put it up in a ponytail of some sort. Yeah, that's usually how it goes. And day 3, 4, and 5, I'm usually in a ponytail, and then by day 7 it's wash day again. So yeah, that is it for my wash and go routine. I hope this is helpful to all you guys out there who are curious as to what I do. This routine has never changed since I've been natural. Even when I was TWA and a girl, like, I've always used this routine. So make sure you click that like button. It helps my channel out a whole lot. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss my next upload. Catch you in the next one. Bye.